Hey folks, welcome to Verified Investing. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. As we get into this action, I want to talk about some trading opportunities I see out there. Today's date is Friday, November 20th, 2020. Before I do that, just a reminder, come follow me on Twitter at Gareth Soloway, and also come to InTheMoneyStocks.com, look for my name at the top of the website. There's a drop down underneath, and you can see two services I offer. Each service shows you the track record to give you a sense. Verified Investing Alerts, which is for swing trading stocks. It has daily videos, the live broadcasts, etc. that I do. It has 188 closed out trades for almost $1,700 in net profit. So good stuff there. All right, first off, we have to look at Qualcomm here. Qualcomm has been a beast since the March lows. The stock has gone from below $60 to $150 just the other day. But what happened on Wednesday, folks? Take a look. What type of candle formation is that? For those of you that know technicals, that is called a topping tail. I repeat, a topping tail on Qualcomm. It is a topping signal. It means the institutions were unloading on that pop. The even number was right there too. This is a short that I did take. I am in this. We're in the money so far at a few dollars. It's just beginning. This should be a trade that has a target downside move of this area right here. This is a huge area. There's a gap fill right here. There's a pivot point. This should see a move back down sub 130. So you're looking at about a $20 potential short profit on this per share. And I think it is a absolute no-brainer. Absolute no-brainer. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is some of the big names: Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook. The reason I want to talk about these is because these are showing me that there's a big move on the horizon. All right, you basically have wedge patterns being created. Now, the wedge patterns basically tell you there's something coming, but you don't necessarily know the direction of the move. All you can do is watch for a break or a breakdown or a breakout. And so, for instance, very clear as a bell here, you could see here on Amazon, right? Look at this trend line right here, okay? So if you put this one right here as well, very clear wedge pattern. Watch to see if Amazon breaks up here out. This would be a breakout. It's going above this all-time high, basically back to 3,500 or above. If it breaks here and goes lower, you have a major move down as a target on Amazon, all the way down to about $2,675. All right, now what's so interesting about this is almost every big name like Facebook and Apple and Microsoft has this chart potential. Look at this, folks, very clear, right? And look at where we're trading on these. We're trading in the lower ranges, right? So if I zoom out here, check this out, guys. This is so cool. Put a trend line right there. Look at how long this trend line goes back. One day you were below it, but look, you closed back above it. You closed within the wedge pattern, and basically you're hovering near the low end. Now, we could still rally up to the highs, but what you're watching for here is which direction does this break. So if it breaks out to the upside, you're going to make new all-time highs on Facebook. If it breaks to the downside, kaboom, you're going to break to the downside here. And I think your downside target on this is this pivot right here. So you have a gap fill right here, a pivot point right here. You're probably talking about $225 per share, so a lot of downside potential. So my point is, keep an eye on these names. If they go south, if they break down, and again, it's an if, we don't know, but if they break down, you're looking at the whole market selling off, especially technology. If they don't break down and they break out, well, then the whole market's going to go up. You know, in all fairness, we all know this by now, trillion-dollar names like Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, and in kind of to a lesser degree, Facebook, not quite a trillion-dollar name, but these control the market. So watch them closely. Watch this trend line. Again, I showed you all these charts here. You can see them. The charts on these names, they're all looking the same. They're all at key levels to watch here. You got to keep an eye on them. And again, if they break to the downside, watch out below. The market will see a big drop. All right. On that note, I bid you all farewell. Have a great weekend. Come find me at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Look for my name. Look for my services, Verified Investing and Verified Options. Join them. We're making money. Hand over fist in 2020. It's been a great year. I will talk to you soon.